All right, good evening, traders. A very warm welcome. I am Devang and I welcome you to our Financial Analyst YouTube channel. So, let's talk about what happened in the market today. Welcome to the post market analysis video. We'll do a preliminary assessment of the markets, how they played out today, and how you can plan for the markets tomorrow, which is Friday, December 18th. But we'll also do a data analysis video in the evening to discuss exactly how FIs and DIs have played in the market and how exactly we can play in the market like we did yesterday. So let's talk about the market. I did come in the live also today in the market to help you out. Hope that has helped you out. So if you are liking these videos, give it a thumbs up, guys, and mention in the comment section below if you're enjoying these videos or not, and subscribe to our channel if you're new. So this is Nifty Bank chart. These were the levels given to you. Exactly, I have not changed anything. You all must have already have noted this down. 30,800 was a very strong level, and we told you that this level has to be broken. If this is broken, you become bullish in the market. If 3,600 is broken, you become bearish. That was the plan for today. And today markets opened somewhere over here at 30,750 levels. Markets opened here. They were wobbling in between, and I always tell my clients, and I told you in the video also, wait for the 15-minute candle. Don't immediately pounce that market is going up, you buy, market is going down. Your job in the market is not to panic. You have 6.5 hours to trade. You have to use that time wisely. You don't have to jump in the very first minute because you're excited. Because what can happen is you lose out your money. Your money is limited. The time in the markets are unlimited. It's open today, tomorrow, and for the 10 next years. So you have to be patient enough, and that's why I always say, if the levels are being broken, we are trading. If the levels are not broken, we are not concerned. And that's the reason if you see the last couple of days, for 2, 3 days, I was not involved in the markets because my levels were not broken. And we'll talk about that in a little bit. But that's what happened. Markets opened here. They tried to go below support, but they failed. Then they tried to come up and this build up happened. That's a very strong concept. And I always tell you, whenever build ups happen, that gives you a very logical place to put a stop loss. Stops could have come here. And, markets immediately in this candle, they broke higher. You could have used a 5-minute candle, 15-minute candle, and our first target was 30,930, and that level was touched. We made good profit. I hope you made good profit because we have done quite well in the markets today as our analysis held. I came live in the market and I told you another thing. I said your SLs are here. Either trail the SLs as you go up, never have naked positions on expiries because markets will always wobble around. That was the point I made clear when I came live at around 11, 12 o'clock. And see what happened. Markets were about at this price, and I said wait for a 15-minute closing above this level for fresh longs. I had used this point. If you are new in the market, you have to enter only when a 15-minute candle is going to close above this. If you are already in positions, then you trail SL, and whenever you get stopped out, you exit, you accept the profit that markets have given you today. And that's exactly what happened. We could never get a 15-minute closing above this 30,930 level. Because this never happened, no fresh person could have gone long in the market. And that is how you protect your capital. That's how you survive. And that's why I always say, when you come into the market, come with a trading plan. Your job is to follow that plan. That's all, nothing else. And this level was not broken. We again came back, retested, bounced back, again came back. So it became choppy after that. It's an expiry play. It was expected. Personally, I was expecting some kind of a trending day, but again, markets have not delivered like that. If I see the daily chart, things are again looking quite choppy. What we have got today is again a spinning top doji. So it's being the same. We are again stuck in that range. We are not moving out. There is no clear direction in the market. It's a lot of confusion is still there. Yes, markets are if Nifty, if you see the charts of Nifty, it is going up 50 odd points up every single day. But during the trading session, not much money is being made decisively by the markets. So we'll come to the charts of Nifty. So we have again got a spinning top doji, and the rule of doji is very simple. For the next day, that whenever these lows or highs are broken, you can take a position in that direction. That's what the rule of doji says. So let's come back and look at the trading setup for tomorrow. By the way, I also sent a very important message in our forums at around 2 o'clock. And I said that sudden big moves can come in the market after 2. Lock your profits or have SL intact. These are very important. We try to do as much as possible for our community, and we try to be as transparent as possible with the community. Because if 3,500 people are watching right now on YouTube, It's our responsibility to guide you in the right direction. And that's why we are here for. So if you found these messages helpful, give it a thumbs up, guys. It would mean a lot to us. And mention in the comment section. So you can see after 2 o'clock what happened. Markets were doing very well at 2 o'clock. At 2:15, a big red candle happened. That's why I said have your SLs intact, so that if you didn't, people would have panicked and exited cost to cost. That's the significance of the message that came in. So you always have to be, I always follow this approach, and which is that you cannot earn more than everyone. If you are earning 100 rupees, that's good enough. Someone will always earn more than you. Remember that. Don't go for that extra greed factor that I want to be, sell at the top, buy at the bottom. That's not going to happen. There is big money involved. You are just a fish in the sea of money. That's what I want to say. So this was the significance of the 2 p.m. candle. And we told you things would get shaky. And that's what happened. And we never traded after that because no level was broken. I could have short the market below this level. I could have gone long above this level. But the levels didn't come. So I was unbothered. So Nifty bank trading plan will be very simple now. The range is being maintained. It's moving in a very simple way. So follow this range. If Nifty bank goes above 30,930 now, that's the level. You can take the day high. To be precise, the day high is 30,945. So you can take a level of 30,950. If this level is broken on a 15-minute basis, then you have to go long in the market. That's the plan for Friday. Generally, Fridays and Mondays are trending days. And generally, I'm not saying the last couple of weeks because they have been quite ungeneral, if you take my opinion. But generally what happens is if the market has been in a trend, so let's say Monday to Thursday has been a good uptrend, Friday generally is a cool off day. Markets give you a reversal. If Fridays you don't get a reversal, then Monday gap up becomes a reversal. This is something I've learned in the markets. So if Friday also tomorrow markets go higher, then generally Monday markets give you a gap up and then they fall down good. So basically they have to cool off what has happened in the past week, because markets never go up in a single shot. They will always go up, give you profit booking, and then again go up. So this profit booking generally or reversals happen on Fridays or Mondays. So so again, our trending day is still intact. We are still waiting when the trending day will come, because currently we are just scalping for some points. We are not making big money. Option buyers are not able to make good money and sit in the position for long. So let's see when that comes. Maybe it comes tomorrow. Maybe it comes on Monday. I have a very good input for Monday, which is 21st of December. I will make a video in the evening today. So make sure you watch that. I have a very good trading idea. But for tomorrow, our plan is simple. Markets are at support right now, 30,800. If the markets start to trade below this, yes, you can try to go short in the market, and targets will be 3,600. At the same time, if the markets go above 30,940 and 50 levels, 15-minute closing is important. Then you can go long in the market for targets of 31,000, 31,200, etc. That's uncharted territory. So we'll have to see about that later. So I'll talk about that, which way the markets can go. We'll sit in the evening for FII data and analyze in detail what exactly the big players and the clients have done today. So just like yesterday we did, yesterday we told you markets will be going higher. We came live in the market in the evening at 11 p.m. So we're sitting full day to help you out, guys. I hope you're enjoying that. I hope you like the support that we are giving you. So that's about Bank Nifty. Let's talk about Nifty now. So Nifty, again, what was our plan? It was very simple, guys. I came live in the market and I told you, Nifty was more trending. It was more positive than Bank Nifty today. It opened somewhere around, today was 17th, yeah. So it opened somewhere around here. I have just deleted the levels. So we gave you this level yesterday. So we said if this level of 680, 700 is broken, you have to go long in the market because it's the lifetime high. So that's what happened. You opened higher. You got a 15-minute closing above this convincingly. And that's the rule of doji. If you see this first candle, that's the rule of doji. You got a doji in the first 15 minutes and the high of doji was broken. That's why you became bullish. If the low of doji was broken, then you became bearish. That's how dojis work. So when this was broken, you could have gone long and markets kept on going higher and higher and higher. And I told you, if you remember yesterday's video, we told you something very important. That was a level of 13,780 to 13,800. This is one level we had given you yesterday in all our videos. And I told you very, very convincingly, I said markets have steam to go up. But if you get the markets at this level, either try to go short if you're a risky guy, or I said book your profits for once. At least book something. And today's high was 13,773. It's given over here, 13,773. So just 5-6 points away from our target. So what I'm saying is these some couple of points become important. So you have to watch these small videos till the end, so you grasp every sweet spot that we have to give you out. So exactly the plan was followed, and 780 is now becoming a very strong resistance for us. So now if you look at the daily chart of Nifty, it's the same. No trending day. Markets are continuing what they have been doing for the past 6 days. And now for the past 6 days, you are getting dojis. It was quite noticeable earlier. Today you have got something which is called a spinning top doji. Spinning top means the body is bigger and your shadows are same on the both sides. Basically, markets are not able to decide where they want to go. They try to go down, buying comes in. They try to go up, there is selling coming in at higher levels. So markets are confused. Whether you like it or not, they are still confused. There is not the selling that we want to see or the buying that we want to see that's happening in the market. I understand buying is not that strong because already we got a run up. At the same time, selling is not starting. So we need to wait for that one trending day to understand what markets really want to do. Looking at the 15-minute charts, what's really happening? So our day high becomes very important. Now the level of the 770, 780, this zone becomes very important resistance now. And we have to keep that in mind. And we also have a very strong support at 630 levels. So I would say markets Nifty is in this range now. It's a big range, but I have to give it out to you. We would become bearish only below 630. Now, as I said last time also, markets are going, the support is shifting higher and higher. Pehle it was around 400, then it shifted to 450, then it became 580, now it's become 630. So the support is becoming higher and higher. So I don't want you to unnecessarily short the market. Go with the flow, go with the momentum. So as long as 630 is maintained, we are okay. I would say it's a buy or dip market. Don't unnecessarily short the market. Let 630 be broken, then we can short the market. At the same time, when the level of 770 is broken, then we can go long. So 780, 800 is a very strong zone. If you are conservative, if you are risky, you can go long above day high. But if you are conservative, try to get a closing above 780 or 800 to be sure, because I think then the range of 14,000 will also open up, because we don't have any levels above this. Why did I say to be cautious around this level? I will give you a logic for that. So, if you look at the daily chart, so I will give you the reason why we were telling you be cautious at that time. The simple rule is, as I said on Saturday's video, markets were moving in this range, a very tight range between 13,600 and 13,400. It was a range. And the rule for a range breakout is that whenever the range is broken on either the side, the targets are simple. The maximum vertical distance in the range, that becomes the target. So we had distance from 13,400 to 13,600. So obviously 200-point range means 200-point target. So this target becomes 13,800. So the targets are stopping there. Above that, we will wait for some fresh signal to go long or go short. But just become careful at these levels. So that's about Nifty. That's about Bank Nifty. What we'll do is we'll come in the evening and we'll discuss more in detail what we can do in the markets on tomorrow, which is Friday, December 18th, because we will need to study the data and accordingly take a position. And interesting points I will reveal to you in the evening. So make sure you watch today's FIRDI video. Also, we are going to release another video at about 6 o'clock today. I'm going to be sharing a trading idea with you. It's going to be a very good multi-bagger trading idea. So make sure you watch that also at 6 o'clock today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy your rest of the day, and we'll see you in some time. Thank you, guys.